Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Gizmo Joe. Today we're going to be taking a look at something a little boring, but it's something that is sort of a unsung hero of the tech world, and that is the adjustable phone / tablet stand. Now, if you're anything like me, you've probably bought a ton of these in the last few years, made of plastic, metal, whatever, name brands, no name brands, and they've probably all been just mediocre or just okay, or at least that's been my experience. A lot of the stands that I've bought in the past have just not really been all that great. Either they don't have the flexibility with an adjustable sort of range of motion, or they're just too limiting, or they're just kind of made of plastic and they're just junk, and they don't really feel premium and they don't look good. And when you have a device that's sitting on it that can be hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, you want something halfway decent to sort of prop it up. So that's what I was on the lookout for. I was looking for something really robust, but something that also looked good and had a premium feel, good build quality, etc., etc. Anyway, I came across this adjustable phone stand, and it doesn't look like much from the packaging because it's just this kind of boring cardboard stuff, but it's from a brand called Nulaxy. I think that's how you pronounce it. I could be wrong, but it's Nulaxy. Nulaxy, I don't know. Anyway, this gets really, really good reviews on Amazon. So I was having a look on Amazon and I was looking at all these different phone stands, and this one sort of caught my eye because, number one, it wasn't super big, but it also had a lot of versatility because it's not just a phone stand. This guy is big enough to seat an iPad or a Nintendo Switch. So having the sort of versatility in a stand was really important to me, but I also wanted something that had a really premium build quality. Now, this is made of all metal, and from what I read online, all the reviews, the joints or the hinges or whatever you call these guys, I guess hinges are more appropriate, are really, really stiff, meaning that it's not going to, you put it in a particular position, it's not going to move around on you, and that's exactly what I was looking for. So I haven't opened this yet, and I'm pretty excited to do so because I want to check it out. But anyway, if we just take a look at the box, like I said, there is not all that much on there. On the back, you've got some warranty stuff. You get a little QR code. It tells you basically what it's made out of, all that sort of stuff. So again, nothing crazy. But let's just open this guy up and see what's in the box. So if we open that up, nothing else in the box. Let's toss that off to the side. So here, it looks like we just got one of those standard little plasticky protection bags. I can already tell that this stand feels incredible. Let's take a look at this little card that comes in here. It says 1 minute for 2 years. So this is a 2-year manufacturer warranty. You probably got to pop your email in there or whatever. Depends on how you feel about warranties or not, but I mean, it's nice that they include it. Anyway, as you can see, this guy folds in on itself, and I will say right now it's made of metal. I would assume it's made out of some sort of aluminum. It may actually say it on the back of the box here. I'm not entirely sure. Let's just see here. So it's the Nulaxy A4, that's the model, and the product material is aluminum. Okay, so it weighs about 150 grams, and then, some other junk. But yeah, so it's made out of aluminum, which is nice because it's got that nice look to it. It has a sort of very premium feel, and let's just try to swing this guy open. So, oh wow, these hinges are stiff. Very, very stiff. Okay, all right. Okay. That's exactly what I was looking for because I wanted something, I don't know about you, but I've had stands in the past where they kind of like tip over because of the weight of the device or whatever. So let me just tell you that this thing is not going anywhere. You put it in a particular position and it is going to stay in that position, which is really good because it means that you can have different reading angles and all that sort of stuff. However you want to have this set up. So as you can see, it's pretty bare bones, but it's got your rubber feet down on the bottom to prevent it from slipping, and like I said, it's just very, very well built. The build quality is excellent, and it feels really standard. So here's my phone, and if I just pop that on there, I mean my phone weighs a little bit, and this thing isn't going anywhere. You can put it in different positions, and it's totally fine. And like I said, the little arms here, the ones that like grip on it, I mean, I'll put my phone back. Now my phone has a case on it, which makes it a little bit wider, but as you can see, there's a decent amount of space here, which means that you're going to be able to put bigger items on here. And like I said, on Amazon, I've read some of the reviews. People are saying that they're putting their Switch on this thing. I don't have a Switch, but they're pretty big. I've had other people say on Amazon that they've stuck their iPad Pro on there, which I believe is 12.9 inches across. So I mean, for having something so small that is robust enough to essentially hold something that large is pretty good. And what's also really nice about this one, before I forget, is that it has these sort of rubber, soft rubber pads. So when you put your device on here, it gives, it's anti-slippage, but it's also protecting your device as well. So you're not going to get any scuffs or anything like that from the holder itself, because it has these soft rubber pads on there. So anyway, yeah, really, really happy with this. I'm not sure what these are for. I guess you could, I don't know. I guess that's when you fold it down. Sorry. It's so that these little arms can poke out. But what I do like about this as well is that it has this sort of open back area, which basically means that if you have your phone or whatever hooked up to this, right, or placed on here, and you have a phone or a device or whatever that can output, say like HDMI or something via USB-C, you could run that cable through the back of this little phone stand, which is really, really cool. It just helps with some cable management. So again, really, really happy with this purchase, considering, phone stands aren't all that sexy, but, there's something that the majority of us use, and to find a really decent one, I don't know about you guys, but I've definitely had trouble in the past finding a halfway decent one. I think this one will last me a while. I'm really, really happy with this. Now, as far as the price, I bought this for about $15 on Amazon Australia. So that's Australian dollars. I guess if I had to convert that on the fly, it'd probably be around $11, $12 US. I think that's a steal. It's a great deal for something that is going to last, really good build quality, and looks quite nice as well. So yeah. Anyway, that's just a short video on a sort of unsung hero of your tech devices, the lowly phone tablet holder. So if you're in the market for a new one, check out Nulaxy A4 aluminum phone, tablet, Nintendo Switch, and anything else you want to put in there stand, because it's well worth the money. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, I accept BAT. I'm a Brave certified content creator, as well as a member of Ko-Fi. So if you want to buy me a coffee, you can do so, and it would be greatly appreciated. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll be back soon with another video. This is Gizmo Joe signing off.